Hey guys, interesting fact for you. If T1000 is down almost all of its parts except the generator, and the tower is still up, but that will be done really soon, maybe even today. It will be going to be rebuilt, and FT1000 has to get some proper maintenance, and then it will be put on top of this one. But the reason I am talking to you today is this one. So here I have the blades from the 3.2 from the FT2000 L2 from the Wuxi FengTeng factory. And this is the wind turbine that I'm calling FT1000L, but apparently it's not the one FT1000L. The reason is that this is the tail that was on it, and it has this kind of trademark on it. At first, when I was mounting this wind turbine in late October last year, 2023, right now it's August, I don't know, what day? 8th, 9th? Of August 2024. But at that time, in October 2023, I was thinking that this is a kind of a trademark that relates to the system that actually states for extreme operational gust, right? Because it can be interpreted like this. But in the end, it appears that this is called the ESG, and this is the wind turbine manufacturer that produces wind turbines. Same like Wuxi FengTeng, similar, not same, but similar. And the thing is that similar is not the same, definitely, it is very much different. Let me explain you why and what exactly. So, first of all, take a look at the edge of the blades. You see? Two that are behind have a nice round edge, and the one on the front seems like it has not been cut properly. Let's take the measurements, because I have here prepared you the measuring device. In kilograms it will show you all the mass. So let's check. Let's do this live, exactly live. I'm using my wife's working space. She's out for vacation with kids. So before she knows what's going on, I have to do this quickly. So 2 kilograms, 565 grams for the one that is not properly cut. And here I have put the recording for it. Let's measure the other two. Okay. You see 20 grams less. That's a huge difference, right? And let's do this with the third one. And the same as the second one. So the mass is again 20 grams less than the first one. And that's the main point of difference here. Because 20 grams is a lot. 20 grams is a lot. It actually was giving some kind of vibration on the tail. It was actually also given this square shape was also giving a whistle, and the whistle was actually happening on winds 6 plus, I think, maybe 7 plus meters per second. But it was the whistling whistle that was happening not once you have 3 of them doing this same whistle, but it was happening only for one, and that's the difference, the main difference that was actually happening. So it was doing one whistle per rotation, so to say, not triple one. And I think this is the cause. At that time, in October, I was not knowledgeable enough about this, but now I know, and now I have to fix it. That's the only thing that I can do. But since we are here, let's take the measurement for the Wuxi blades. They must be so much different, because 20 grams on the blades is, I would say, unacceptable. So let's take the measurement here. 3 kilo 370. That's for the blade number, let's call it number 1. And let's do this with the second one. What do we have here? Same. exactly same. Like, you have to also understand that this device has the tolerance, and the tolerance is 5 gram. It will not show exactly up to 1 gram difference, but 5 gram. If 5 gram is difference, it's really okay, so I don't care about 5 gram difference. Yeah, and here you see this is 5 gram less. 3 kilos and 365 grams. Yeah, I put the recording here. Right, so we have it. And this makes me thinking that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you see this similar wind turbine. It actually really matters what kind of manufacturer was producing it. That's what I'm thinking about. And like, I mean, seriously, I found this company just yesterday, very occasionally. I was browsing something on Alibaba, and like some kind of advertisement, I don't know, like related product came up to me. I was looking for controller specifically, for one type of controller where I cannot find a manual. Some person asked me to find the manual and to figure out what the settings are, but I was browsing and just doing it, and like apparently Wind Turbine got to me with this kind of trademark. I thought, oh, it sounds familiar, looks familiar. I clicked on it and figured out that this is the name of the company. And this company is selling wind turbines which are the same as Wuxi FengTeng, but they are different. For example, you can get the 3.2 wind turbine, like these blades, right? Like this one, that Wuxi calls the FT2000L, 2000L2 specifically for this kind of blades. And you can get it from Wuxi as well as you can get it from this company. But the difference is that the wind turbine from this company with 3.2 meters wind wheel in diameter will be 5 kilograms less in total mass. And they claim it to be 1.5 kilowatt, and Wuxi claims this to be 2 kilowatt. And it apparently can be so, because if this one is 5 kilogram less, then this one has less metal in generator. That's the only explanation here, because the blades might be roughly the same, and like everything else. Another thing, take a look. Bigger blades are from Wuxi, and smaller blade is from this ESG company. Look at the startup zone, how much different it is. I don't know what to say. Like, if it was Wuxi, this would have been FT 1500 to be realistically and to be fully honest, right? But since this is this manufacturer, they didn't put the good generator inside it, and this is the only 1 kilowatt generator on this blade. And I'm really, like, impressed, so to say. So my message for you today, guys, it doesn't only matter the wind wheel size, the generator size, it also really matters who are you buying from. Absolutely matters. Check the total and combined weight of the wind turbine for sure, because it matters. It matters a lot. And I can definitely say that Wuxi manufacturer is a good one. And this one, at this point, I cannot recommend, because, like, I mean, why would you be doing this? Why, guys? Like, I don't understand. Oh yeah, but that's it. I have some work to do. Let's call it maintenance. I have to align this blade. I have to maybe repaint them, just like to have them look nicely for the next round, the next season, and preparing some other preparations to make the tower. I have to put the wire guys specifically, because they are still not there. I bought already everything, I mean the cable and all the joints and connections. I just have to do this, and that will be the next step before moving the FT1000. And actually I think that I'm going to put the M3 down and I will mount the FT2000 here. But again, I have to put the wire guides. I will just like have to check if that will fit, because like the thing is, I don't want the blade to hit this piece of tower. So this is something I have to check. I think it might work, but I'm not 100% sure at this exact moment. So yeah, that's the update for you today. Thanks for watching and see you later.